Yeah, hello everyone. It's your guy Salem again. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again, and I'll be doing my normal market breakdown analysis for you people, so you guys will know the pair you will be watching this week. And today I'll be talking about the EURUSD, the CADJPY, and the EURJPY. Please do not forget to like, to subscribe, leave a comment on the comment section below, and if you have any other pair you want me to cover, you can just go ahead and just text me, or if you don't want to text me, you can leave it on the comment section below, and I'll be making a full breakdown analysis on that pair for you. So we are giving out free signals because we are now in partnership with deriv brokers. So we are now giving out free signals. You can hit me up, you can chat me up for more details, and I'll be explaining more to you. Let's go straight to what we have today. And just a brief disclaimer, what I'm about to share with you is of my own opinion. I am not the market maker. You understand? So today we have the EURUSD. Now let's analyze. Anytime I'm making my analysis, I always tell you guys you should always analyze the monthly time frame first. The monthly time frame gives you a directional perspective of you always check your higher time frame because it gives you a directional perspective of every market. You understand? Of every market. You understand? So let's see what we have on the Euro USD session. Now, if you look at the Euro USD session now on the monthly time frame, what do we see? We can see that this market just recently broken out from a very strong support zone or support area, because as you can see, this support area started from here, it created a move to the upside, came down and touched this particular support area, and also provided a move to the upside again. And now it has recently broken that support zone, and now we expect the market to provide the move to the next support zone. So as you can see from the monthly time frame, the market seems quite bearish. We're expecting the market to provide a move to the next support zone on the monthly time frame. You understand? Okay, this is the next support zone. You understand? So let's move to our weekly time frame. Let's see what we have. Okay, on the weekly time frame, what do we have? We have a very nice market structure. The market created a nice move, started from this point, create an M, broke this level of M, came to the next level of support, and now the market currently has made a retest after this long impulse to the downside. It now made a retest, of which I know it has made a retest at least to the 61.8 level of the Fibonacci taken. And as you can see, this is exactly what I'm saying. The market has already provided a move to the 61.8 level of the Fibonacci, which is lining up with the previous supports. So now the weekly also seems quite bearish, so we expect this market to provide a move to the downside. Now let's go to our daily time frame to see what the market is saying. So as you can see on our monthly time frame, the market is quite bearish, and our weekly time frame also, the market also is quite bearish. Now let's go to the daily time frame to see what the market has for us. Okay, on the daily time frame, as you can see, the market just created currently the market created a nice M chart pattern. Although it started from this point, created a nice long M chart pattern, made the retracement, and in process of making this retracement, the market formed an M chart pattern. And after you see an M chart pattern, what do we expect? expect the market to provide a move to the upside to retest the neckline of the chart pattern. Understand? This is what we expect this market to do, to go move to the neckline to retest this chart pattern before providing a move to the downside. So as you can see, the EURUSD, the monthly seems quite bearish, the weekly seems quite bearish, and the daily also seems quite bearish. So we will be monitoring this pair with my students, and once it provides to us one of our valid entries, we will be entering this market with a very nice risk to reward. So as you can see, EURUSD seems quite bearish. Now let's go to our CADJPY, CADJPY. Let's start from the monthly time frame. Let's see what we have on the monthly time frame. Yeah, as you can see, okay, the chart is still loading. You just have to be patient. The chart is still loading. You have to be patient, please. Load. Please load. CADJPY. Okay, it has given me what I wanted. This is CADJPY. As you can see, CADJPY is on a nice resistance zone. As you can see here, this was what I was waiting for. I just wanted the chart to load so I can show you what is happening here. CADJPY is in a very nice support zone, resistance zone, and so therefore we expect the market to provide a move to the downside. Even if it's a little move, at least we expect this market to provide a move to the downside, maybe to retrace this recent support that is here. It was a resistance which is now turned support. So now going down to the weekly time frame, what do we see? As you can see from the weekly time frame, the market has formed an M chart pattern. As you can see, the market has formed an M chart pattern. And what do you expect after the formation of M chart pattern? We expect this market to go up and retrace the neckline before providing a move to the downside. You understand? You expect this market to go up and retrace the neckline, then before providing a move to the downside. So as you can see, the monthly time frame in CADJPY is bearish. The weekly time frame in CADJPY also seems bearish. So now let's go to our daily time frame to see what we have on our daily time frame on CADJPY. Going to our daily time frame, as you can see, the market created a nice M chart pattern, and after the creation of an M chart pattern, we will be expecting the market to go up and retrace the neckline of the chart pattern before providing a move to the downside. So we expect this market to go up and retrace the neckline before providing a move to the downside. So as you can see, our monthly time frame seems quite bearish, our weekly time frame seems quite bearish, and also our daily time frame seems quite bearish. So we'll be looking out to short the CADJPY with our students once it provides to us one of our valid entries. So let's go to the last market we have for today, which is the EURJPY. The EURJPY. Okay, this is the last market we will be analyzing for today. EURJPY, remember I always tell you, before you analyze the markets, always make sure you go straight to the monthly time frame first. So now let's see what EURJPY is saying also. Remember, EURUSD is bearish, CADJPY is bearish, and now let's see what EURJPY is saying. Now, As you can see from the monthly time frame, you can see that EURJPY is on a major support zone, on a huge support zone. As you can all see, it's in a very huge support zone. Yes, it started the move from this point, provided this massive move to the downside, and now currently is on that same particular resistance zone. It's on that same resistance zone, and so therefore we'll be expecting this market to provide a move to the downside from the monthly time frame. So EURJPY from the monthly time frame seems quite bearish. Now going down to the weekly time frame, let's see what we have. The weekly time frame, as you can see, it's trying to provide a move to the downside. As you can see, it has broken this level of support, so therefore we expect the market to move down to the next level of support. So the monthly seems quite bearish, the weekly seems quite bearish. Then going down to our daily time frame, let's see what we have on our daily time frame. As you can see, the market has formed a nice M chart pattern, a very nice M chart pattern. And what do you expect after the formation of a nice M chart pattern? We expect the market to go up and retrace the neckline of this chart pattern before providing a move to the downside. So as you can see on the EURJPY, the monthly time frame seems quite bearish, the weekly time frame seems quite bearish, and the daily time frame also seems quite bearish. So also we'll be looking for a shorting opportunity on the EURJPY with my students. So do not forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment on the comment section below. If you have any pair you want me to cover or analyze for you, you can leave it on the comment section below, and I'll be doing a full breakdown analysis on that pair for you. So thank you. See you on my next video.